Hey, what's up? It's KB here. So there is a new phone by LG which rolls. Yeah.
Expansion! Spiky human boulder!
No. It doesn't roll like that. It rolls like this. We have a hands-on video of LG rollable phone. So you can see its display rolls. Yeah. It's pretty cool. It's a phone which can be a simple normal phone, and it's a phone which can be a tablet. Yeah, it's a 2-in-1 phone, just like flip phone. As we know, we have flip phone, like the most popular one, Samsung. I think Huawei also made one flip phone, which I don't know. Okay, I don't even know much about any of the Samsung's flip phone. I have heard it. I have seen a video, I have seen a photo, because it's too expensive and too big to be in my pocket. To be honest, I'm not too excited to try these new types of phone that are coming out, flip, now the rollable, because I can't afford it. Most of the people can't afford it. Even if you can't take a risk to just try out that expensive phone. We may just have to wait few more years when these type of phones becomes normal and we can buy it for like very cheap, like maybe $1. No, I'm just joking, maybe 100, 200, 300. In future it will become normal, obviously, if they become the successful. If they don't, then we might not even see these phones in the future. But rollable looks pretty cool. I think I will prefer a rollable over flip, because it rolls, and it just becomes a normal phone. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Just look at it. Okay, so the crease, when you flip a Samsung Fold, let's say for example, the flip phone, there will definitely become a crease, because it's like this. Okay, and when you flip and flip, there will be a crease. At some point it might just break, or maybe something will happen. But the rollable, I think it's more flexible, and there are less pressure to the screen than the flip. Okay. If I want to have a rollable or flip, I would prefer rollable. I already gave you the explanation why. Actually, don't have much to say, so just this video here, hands-on video, just look at it. It looks normal, totally normal when it's not rolled out. Now it's rolling out, you can see. Now it just becomes the tablet. There is no crease, so it's just much better than the flip, because there is one single screen which will never get a crease, or which will never break unless you pressure it from the top. The concept is very cool. Unlike last year, I think the LG released a LG Wing, which had two phones stacked on top of each other, which I just didn't like it. I think it failed, actually. Yeah, many people just didn't like it. So I think the rollable will become a little bit more successful. Maybe people will like it more than a flip. Yeah, let's see what happens. But yeah, that's all we have. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be expensive. So there is no hope that I'm gonna try this out. But yeah, that's it. It's pretty cool. That's all I want to say. And I think that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any thoughts for the rollable phone, please do the comment. Let's chit chat in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.